Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Wendy.
And we are gonna do a cold brew throwdown. Starbucks versus Trader Joe's. You should know that this is brought on by the fact that Wendy thinks I'm cheap and that motivates all of my decisions. Don't try and pretend like that's not what happened.
I truly believe, now, so weeks ago, Megan did this really long Instagram story about like the difference between the Trader Joe's cold brew and the Starbucks cold brew and which one tastes better and blah, 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 blah. But one is significantly cheaper than the other. And I think she's swayed by price. That does not mean I think she's
mentioned that I was put in the pro column the fact that one is less expensive. Yes.
Tell me the prices, because I don't even remember. I went out and bought these yesterday.
Okay, we should clarify. We're talking about cold brew bags. These are coffee filter-like bags that you brew at home. So the Trader Joe's, this bag comes with 4 cold brew bags. It takes 2 to make 1 pitcher, and this is $5.99. So you can make 2 pitchers for $5.99. Starbucks comes with 2 bags, which makes 1 pitcher, and I've seen different prices, but it's anywhere from like $8.99 in Starbucks. I think it's like $11.99.
I bought it inside Starbucks.
And do you remember what you paid?
No.
I think they're way more expensive, $10.99 or $11.99, which honestly, by the time you get down to it, is not a big savings over buying an iced coffee in Starbucks.
At the store.
So yeah, that factored into my decision. However, I did believe in my taste test that one was better. So Wendy is here to prove me wrong, basically.
I am. So I went home yesterday, made 2 pitchers of cold brew coffee, and I know which is which. Megan does not. She's gonna test this out, and then we're gonna talk about some things. I mean, like, hold them up. They look exactly the same.
Yes,
do they not?
They do. Number 1, ready?
Don't tell me. Just like taste both of them and then like make your guess.
Do you want me to guess which one I think is Starbucks or which one I think is better?
Let's do that. Tell me which one you think tastes better, and then tell me which one you think is the brand.
Okay. Black. Nothing added to them. This one has a bittery aftertaste, which I associate with the Starbucks.
Okay.
I associate with a lot of bottled, unsweetened, undoctored cold brews too, like the Trader Joe's. Their bottled cold brew, I don't like at all, and it has that same, it's like a, and if this is a Trader Joe's, I'm gonna look like a dummy. But this one has like a, I don't know how to describe that aftertaste. It's like a zing.
Zing.
This one is smoother.
I'm gonna try these after you. I don't drink a lot of coffee anymore, which
they still look the same.
They still look the same.
All right, let's see what this one tastes like. And I still get that zing. It's toned down a little bit. I think it would go away completely if it were sweetened.
Okay, so tell me, which one do you think tastes better?
I think 2 tastes better, and I think 1 is the Starbucks. And if I'm wrong, I'm gonna be sad.
Wrong.
Shut up! See, that's really weird. I wonder if there's like, how long were they brewed? Just curious. So this is Trader Joe's.
This one is Trader Joe's. Number 1 is Trader Joe's.
Maybe you mixed them up.
I did not. I swear I did not mix it up. I was very, very careful in making them.
It's funny that it has aftertaste.
Organizing
the last time
them.
I made it, it did not. I have some in there. I'm going to try it again.
I'm telling you, this one is the Trader Joe's one. And I made them at the exact same time. Made them with the exact same water. They were brewed the exact same time. The difference is Trader Joe's, you brew, it's 2 bags, 7 cups of water, right?
Sure.
Okay.
I never measure the amount of water.
You don't? You just put it, you just fill it up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so
that may make a difference.
Okay, so maybe it does. So it's 2 bags, 7 cups of water. Put it in the refrigerator. Starbucks, 2 bags, 4 cups of water. Then you take it out after it's been overnighted and you add 3 cups of water to it.
Interesting. Totally didn't do that. Interesting.
Yeah, I don't know why they do it that way. Why do you think they do it that way? Maybe it's more of a concentrate
flavor. Yeah. All right, so I'm a liar.
You're not a liar. And I truly don't believe that you're swayed by price anymore. I think you're swayed by taste.
I was swayed by taste. And actually, in a lot of cases, the Starbucks is easier because they sell it in my grocery store, they sell it in my Target, they sell it in places in Starbucks where I am more often than I go to Trader Joe's.
Mm-hmm.
I go to Trader Joe's like every other week, sometimes not even that often. So the Starbucks is more convenient for me in a lot of ways.
Right, and whenever you ever had like a head-to-head competition where you've like tasted one and then tasted the other, it was probably days apart from each other, and you're like, oh, this one tastes good.
Well, and I wonder if like concentrating it that way makes it smoother. I don't know.
Here's the biggest problem. As the maker of the Starbucks cold brew yesterday,
Oh yes, tell me. Is it the bags? The bags suck.
the bags totally suck. I had to take them out of
Can I
this.
show them?
Yeah, I had to take it out of this picture.
Oh, they're in here.
It's okay.
Well, I'm not going to open it because it'll, here,
I'll
open.
make one at home.
No, it's okay. Here, look. But look, the bags are basically this size. There's two of them that are basically
They're
like
huge.
this size, but this, like half this thick. And when it fills with water,
So when you take the bags out, first of all, those bags are huge. This opening is small. It was like giving birth to a baby.
totally.
And the bags would rip.
Yep. That
Trader
was
Joe's, not it.
Because
was,
look at the size of the bag for Trader Joe's. It's smaller and it comes out more easily. And so that was definitely a pro for the Trader Joe's
right.
for me.
And I will say, the Trader Joe's
Smells so much better, doesn't it?
smells so good.
I want you to let us know all your thoughts on all of the cold brew. I don't care that we're leaving iced coffee season. I don't care. Let's talk about it. If you have thoughts, ideas, suggestions, leave them in the comments below, and we will see you in another video very soon. Bye.
Bye.